RUI'AN YIDU Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2012. It specialized in research, design, production and sales of packaging machinery, such as tablet capsule packing line, blister packaging machine, capsule filling machine, liquid filling machine, double aluminum strip packing machine, cartoning machine, labeling machine, shrink machine, pillow packing machine, etc. Widely used in food, chemical, pharmaceutical, light industry and other fields. Yidu Company has modern workshop, professional research and development team, and advanced production equipment, so that you can in the shortest possible time to meet the needs. Yidu Company has a strong technical force, advanced equipment and technical support. At the same time, to provide a complete set of non-standard production engineering, equipment manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and other trained services. Yidu series packaging machines are exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Africa, South Asia, and other more than 40 countries and regions. With this excellent equipment and fast professional service, Yidu has won high praise from customers.